Welcome to another Clipchamp tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save Clipchamp video to computer. Alright, as you can see here, I have my clip here ready. Now in order to save it on my computer, I'm just going to go ahead and hover my mouse into the top right. Right here, as you can see, there is an export button. Just go ahead and click on it, click, and in here you'll be able to select the quality of the video. Alright, the maximum here for the free version is 1080p, which is pretty solid. Now, if you want to export it as 4K, unfortunately, you will have to buy a subscription in order to upgrade your Clipchamp. All right, let's just go ahead and select a 1080p HD, which is high quality. Click on it. You can go ahead and edit the title of the video right here. Sample 2. Then what we're going to do next is just click on Save to your computer. Click on it. And here you'll be able to find the directory that you want. For example, I'm going to scroll all the way up right here to be able to see my desktop. And if you want to delete made with Clipchamp right here, just go ahead and delete that. All right. Delete, hit on save. Depending on the length or quality of the video, it might take longer for your computer to be able to process it. But as you can see here, it is instant. All right. I'm going to minimize this one. And I'm going to go ahead over to my desktop. As you can see here, sample 2 has been saved on my computer. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.